Oh, dude.
Oh, dude.
Oh. You're a
Welcome up.
Seahawks fan.
Yeah, baby.
Wow.
We're not in good shape right now, but.
Not doing too hot, but hey, still a fan at heart.
Always.
You ready?
I'm pumped.
Where are we going?
To the beach, baby!
I don't know what beach you're going to.
I have no idea.
But we're going to a beach.
Javi and I don't know.
We'll do it. Woo!
Let's rage.
¿Qué tal?
Bienvenidos a Roatán, muchachos. La isla de Honduras.
Honduras.
What do we get? What's our haul? What is that? A little standoff action?
And
Cheetos, Flamin'
crunchy flaming hot Cheetos.
What do you get?
I got Fiesta snacks, lemon corn chips, a pineapple juice, and a water.
Oh, you went shopping, girl.
I got munchies.
That's hot. You got your fruit too?
Yeah, I did.
Awesome. We got the essentials here.
Beer on beer.
Beer on ice.
On ice.
Beer on ice.
Beer on ice.
This is the ham and cheese.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So what are these?
All right, let's try them.
Cheers, baby. Cheers. Solid. Oh, there's like potato and carrots in there. Ooh, nice. Delicious. Yeah. You want a bite? Too bad.
Too bad. Can't have any.
What's up, people?
Yo, Tyler.
Yo, you see how clear this water is?
This looks like, it looks like Russia. You have better beaches in Russia, right? Same thing, yeah.
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, where you from, bro?
LA.
Los Angeles, baby! I love you, welcome to the island!
¿Cómo ves? ¿Está bien?
Súper.
¿Rico?
Rico, rico, rico.
Rico, rico. Oh my god, it's Reading Rendezvous.
It's Reading
oh my
Rendezvous.
god.
Thank you so much for joining me here in Reading Rendezvous.
Where are we?
Well, we're in Honduras. We're in Roatán. It's really beautiful. I mean, just let's do a pan.
Oh wow.
Let's do a pan.
Oh wow. Coconut meat. Meaty.
She thick. With 2 C's at least.
Oh damn.
That's fresh.
It's fresh.
Velikalepna.
Velikalepna. Velikalepna. Velikalepna.
Sort of.
Ba.
Velikalepna.
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 Wow. Guys, I could do this every day. I've wanted to come here for a very long time. Honduras is beautiful. If you ever get a chance, come to West Bay. It's gorgeous. Got fish swimming around me right now. It's amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Catch you on board. It's on Honduras, and there's this beautiful black iguana.
I've never seen a photographer.
Look at him. He looks like Godzilla.